As data centers scale from megawatts to gigawatts in the AI era, a new power architecture is essential for efficiency, scalability, and sustainability. Delta, together with NVIDIA, is introducing a next-generation 800 volts DC solution that overcomes space constraints, copper overload, and repetitive conversions in conventional data centers, while boosting power efficiency by more than 4% to reach 92%. We're ready to help data centers make the leap from traditional AC to next-generation 800 volts DC. At the grid edge, Delta's solid-state transformer enables fast, efficient conversion from medium voltage AC to 800 volts DC, streamlining infrastructure with fewer cables, reduced losses, and accelerating deployment. The 800 volts power flows through Delta's overhead busway, using copper or aluminum conductors for reliable and scalable delivery to every next-generation AI rack. For a rack with 576 GPUs, Delta's compact DC-DC power distribution board delivers 50 volts and 12 volts outputs from 800 volts input. To improve reliability for the system, Delta offers a compact eFuse silicon carbide-based switch with low on resistance and ultra-fast cutoff time. Regarding the next-generation AI rack, Delta's DC-DC power shelf reaches up to 98.5% efficiency by eliminating repeated AC-DC conversions. The 50 volts then passes through the core shell liquid-cooled busbar, which is precisely engineered for next-generation data centers. Compliant with MGX cabinet, it can support over 4,000 amps current capacity at 50 volts DC. At the board level, high-performance power chokes help ensure stable voltage regulation down to 1.2 volts or 0.8 volts for AI chips. Delta's high-efficiency cold plate loops effectively manage the heat of AI chips, ensuring reliable server performance. Under the current AC data center architecture, Delta is collaborating with NVIDIA to develop the in-row power equipped with AC-DC power shelves with up to 98% efficiency, which supports the 800 volts DC power architecture. The in-row power provides a total of 1.1 megawatt dedicated for the rack with 576 GPUs to meet the AI workloads. This is bridging today's infrastructure with tomorrow's demands. To manage high power density of next-gen data centers, Delta delivers comprehensive cooling solutions. For retrofits and upgrades, our liquid-to-air CDUs integrate seamlessly into existing infrastructure, supports a cooling fluid flow rate of 1.5 LPM per kilowatt, meeting the thermal demands of high-end GPU servers. For new-build data centers, the built-in smart-controlled liquid-to-liquid CDUs are designed to scale with the thermal demands of AI compute racks. Delta's next-generation fans, designed for 800 volts power architecture, offers energy-efficient in-row, in-room, and facility-level cooling. Together with NVIDIA, Delta is empowering the future of AI data centers.